So I made a video where I reviewed the Samsung Galaxy A25, but in this video here, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 reasons why I love the Galaxy A25. This budget-friendly device has some fantastic features that are sure to catch your attention, and so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. First off, let's talk about display. The Galaxy A25 boasts a stunning 120Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, and for those of you who do not know what that means, in simple terms, a 120Hz refresh rate on the Galaxy A25 means that most things that can take advantage of that feature will look extra smooth, like smoother animations, smoother scrolling. Gaming and transitions on this display will look really good, making your experience more enjoyable and fun. Now you also have a crisp Full HD Plus resolution and a whopping 1000 nits of brightness on the Galaxy A25. Your content will come to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. Also, that level of brightness is one you'd need if you want to use the smartphone outdoors, meaning you wouldn't have issues using the Galaxy A25 outdoors. Samsung actually got this display on lockdown. Now the second point would be the headphone jack. This is one most of us have missed from flagship devices, and I love it whenever I see a smartphone that has this port on the device. The Galaxy A25 includes a headphone jack, giving you this flexibility of a wired connection for your audio needs. It's a small detail actually, but it makes a huge difference, especially for those of us who appreciate the convenience of traditional headphone ports. And if you want to test your favorite wired headphones on this device, it's got you covered. Now let's shift our focus to performance. The Samsung Galaxy A25 is powered by the Exynos 1280 chipset, ensuring smooth and responsive user experience. Whether you're multitasking or running graphic-intensive applications, most of the time this device is able to handle that computing need. The Exynos 1280 here brings a perfect balance of power efficiency and performance to the table, making your daily tasks a breeze. Gaming is excellent also on this device with respect to price, and I don't think you really can ask for a lot more with the Galaxy A25. Now, the fourth point would be OS and updates. The Samsung Galaxy A25 stands out not only for the remarkable features, but also for its steadfast commitment to keeping your device up to date, offering an impressive 5 years of software update. And this means that you receive 4 major operating system updates, ensuring that your smartphone stays current with the latest advancements in technology and user experience. Moreover, this commitment extends to security patches, meaning you get an additional year of security patch after 4 major years of software updates on this device. What is even more noteworthy is the fact that the Galaxy A25 doesn't just stop at promising you future updates. It takes it a step further by shipping with the latest Android version, Android 14 out of the box, and this ensures that from the moment you unwrap this device, you're greeted with the most recent Android features and improvements on the Galaxy A25. Alongside the Android version here, you get One UI 6.0, Samsung's user interface, which enhances the overall user experience by providing this clean, intuitive, and feature-rich interface for the user who gets this device. Now let's delve a bit into the captivating world of the Galaxy A25's camera capabilities. The impressive 50 megapixel main camera and 13 megapixel selfie camera on this device work together to capture moments with remarkable clarity and detail. What's really remarkable here is the consistent delivery of high quality results, especially when you consider the affordability of this device. Having extensively used the Galaxy A25's camera, I've observed its ability to produce images with excellent contrast, vibrant colors, and nearly accurate representation of the white balance. Whether you're capturing breathtaking sunsets or a family gathering, or even close-up selfie with this device, the camera ensures that your memories are vividly preserved. And when it comes to shooting videos, the Galaxy A25 takes things up a notch. You have the flexibility to record in stunning 4K resolution, bringing your videos to life with incredible detail. Additionally, there is excellent stabilization here, but that's done in 1080p. This ensures that your footage remains smooth and shake-free even when you're on the move. Take a look at this. What's noteworthy about the Galaxy A25's camera performance is that it sets a standard for budget devices. It proves that you don't have to break the bank to enjoy a versatile and capable camera system on a smartphone. So whether you're an aspiring content creator, a social media enthusiast, or just someone who loves capturing life's moments, the Galaxy A25's camera is sure to exceed your expectations without putting a dent in your wallet. So there you have it, 5 things to love about the Samsung Galaxy A25, from its stunning display and powerful performance to the commitment to software updates, the headphone jack, and a camera setup that punches above its weight. This smartphone is definitely worth checking out. You can check out my review on the Samsung Galaxy A25 here, a full review. Kawidate.